Hey gamers, want to play Rematch, the epic new soccer game for Slow Clap? Before its June 19th release, here's how to join the beta early. First, head to playrematch.com, click register for beta, and fill out the quick form with your email, name, platform, PC, PlayStation 5, or Xbox Series X and S, and your region. Confirm your email when it arrives, and for extra chances, go to the Rematch's Steam page and request playtest access. It's not mandatory, but it boosts your odds of getting a beta key. Beta keys are invite only and sent progressively, so check your email regularly. The next beta starts April 18th on Steam, with more tests planned, so be patient because it's first come, first served. Once you get your key, redeem it on your platform, download the beta, and jump into the 5v5 or 4v4 matches. Test the game, share feedback on Discord or Reddit, and help shape Rematch. Want guaranteed early access? Pre-order the Pro or Elite Edition for 72 hours of play starting June 16th, plus exclusive cosmetics like Adopter Hat. That's it guys, sign up now, grab your beta key, and hit the pitch early. Follow at Play Rematch on X for updates, and I'll see you in the game.